Hi, I'm Daryl with Hot Wash Atlanta, and today I'm going to show you the new Legacy 21-inch Water Broom surface cleaner. It's new, it's convenient. On one side you've got the trigger gun for the flat surface cleaning to be able to clean easily, consistently, 21-inch, and on the other side it's got a trigger gun to control the water broom on the top, which is really handy because after you clean, you always have to go back with the rinse gun or pressure washer to get the dirty water off. With this one, you can just go back, squeeze the other trigger, and the water broom will wash the water off to the side. Now I'm going to show the water broom. Just squeeze the trigger here. I'm going to go back to cleaning one more pass. I'm going to clean 2 passes. I'll use the water bin to clean up the dirty water. Now the water broom for cleaning up. Now how fast and convenient is that?